Welcome to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. We're in the Jen Air kitchen. I've got some very special guests. I've got two girls from the Girl Scouts USA Vancouver chapter. I've got Rhonda from BonCOOK, and today they're going to show us how to make some chicken enchilada fajitas. How do we start?
Well, it's really very simple. What we're going to do is mix together a sauce, and we have here combined in the bowl, if you want to take this spoon, we have regular mayo, and we add a little bit of chipotle mayo for a little bit of spice, and then we're adding green enchilada sauce. And then we're going to slather that on these wonderful individual tortilla shells. So we're going to add chicken, and this was just baked, and then add this, a little bit of cabbage. And you know what? When you're done, you have something beautiful and fresh and delicious, and it makes it really good. You can add black beans if you like, and then cheese. Would you like to add the cheese there? Okay, and maybe even a little more. Maybe we'll do a little bit of cilantro. Would you like to add a little? So don't you feel creative when you're sprinkling that in there? Yeah.
That's
Cooking
great.
is creating. Okay, and then we have just the tiniest little bit of salt. Okay, itty bitty bitty. And then watch how hard this is. Now see, I'm gonna kind of scooch that with my fingers, and then I'm gonna roll it over there.
That's great.
Woo,
You
okay.
guys want to make one?
Yeah.
All
Okay.
right. These gals were the winners of last year's Kid Fest Northwest, and you can check out kidfestnw.com to find out about next year, and maybe you can enter to win. Rhonda also does cooking classes for kids at rhonda.boncook.com, so check them out. We're going to let these gals finish making some up, and then we're going to get some additional Girl Scouts to taste our experiment. They just came out of the oven, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. They look great. Now it's time to taste. Come on in. We've got a special taster. Take a bite. Let us know what you think. Is it a success? Yes! You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatRiegelmanns.com. Thank you all for joining me. BonCOOK, Girl Scouts, Jen Air. We're at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham. We'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.